getting over him. I got no rules, I count him.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This look is number 7 in my 10 looks using one palette series. In this series I'm highlighting the Sephora Pro Editorial palette. I love this palette. I say it in every single video, but I really love this palette. I went for a very trendy orange and blue eyeshadow look. I actually love how it turned out. I think it looks really cool. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Today I'm doing look number 7. Yeah, I think it's number 7. So I have my brows on and my eyes are primed and ready to go. I did lightly set the concealer I have on today because it was extremely sticky. First, picking up Tangerine on this Morphe M504 brush. I'm going to buff that in right above the crease. I lightly set the concealer so it still actually is pretty tacky. That up quite a bit into the crease. Grabbing this Morphe M433, I'm going to pick up Tangerine with a little bit of CREASE just to deepen that orange up. I'm going to pack that on the outer corner. That first brush. It's crazy how different each eyeshadow layer looks, even if it's the same color. If you just build up that color, I'm gonna pick up Tangerine and a little bit of Eliza D and see if I like that color better. See if I like that a little bit better on the outer corner. Picking up this Morphe E17, picking up just a little bit of Porcelain and blending those edges to really soften that. I like these eyeshadows because you can make a really complex look with using like 3 eyeshadows. For the lid, I'm going to be taking Dinah, and in my last video I figured out that using a glitter glue is the best way to use these shimmer eyeshadows, so I'm going to go in with that. I'm using the NYX glitter primer. Picking up a smaller brush, I'm going to pick up Moonstone. I'm going to pat that over the center of the lid. Into the deeper blue. I look like a Denver Broncos fan. Taking that Morphe M433 with no extra product, I'm just blending those edges. I'm going to use a tiny bit of whatever's left over on that NYX glitter glue, and see if I can get that orange a little deeper. I wish there was one more darker orange in this palette. I'm just going to pop on some eyeliner. I'm using the Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. I don't think I'm going to do a wing today, so I'm just going to pop on some mascara and lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is what the eyes are looking like right now. I'm going to go finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be back to finish up the eyes. Okay guys, so I just did my face makeup really quick, so I'm going to finish up the eyes. I'm going to take this Curie Cosmetics smudger brush. And picking up CREASE, I'm going to smoke that out on the lower lash line. I'm going to pick up Helen P on this Morphe M506 and just smoke that out a little bit more. Inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Moonstone, that same one that I put on the lid, and just highlighting that inner corner with that blue. It's so pretty. I love that as an inner corner highlight. That is gorgeous. And then also just adding a tiny bit of that to my brow bone. Next, I'm just going to pop on some mascara. I'm using this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Yeyo. And this is the finished look. I actually really love, I know I say that every time, but I'm obsessed with how this turned out. When I started going in with that blue, I was like, wow, that's a really intense blue next to a really intense orange. I didn't know if I was gonna like it. It does very much remind me of the Denver Broncos. I'm in Wyoming, we're right next to Denver. So the Broncos are kind of big here, and that is exactly what it looks like on my eyes, but I love it. It turned out so good. I'm glad. I feel like now on look number 7, I think I have these shadows down pretty good on how to build them up, how to work with them, how to get the shimmers to work really well. I feel like this palette is a little difficult, but just playing with it and trying different techniques, I have learned a really good way to get these eyeshadows to look really good, to blend really good, to build up really good. I feel like my eye looks have been getting a little bit better each time I've used this palette, and I really like it. Yeah, this is a pretty cool look, I think. Let me know what you guys think of this eye look down below. I actually think it turned out really cool. I wasn't very sure. I know it's hard to tell when you just have your eyes done and you don't have your face makeup done, or you don't have lashes on yet, or stuff like that, and it kind of, you're just like, okay, that does not look good. And once the whole finished product comes together, I feel like it really turned out really good. I like this look a lot. I really love the way the shimmer blue looks with that Moonstone shade. That shade is so pretty. It just has the slightest hint of like blue. It's almost iridescent. It's like blue and a little bit purpley, but I really love the way that it looks on the eyes. The inner corner, I think it looks so cool on the inner corner. So this is the eye look number 7. We have 3 more looks to do in this series. I am super excited to finish out another one of these series. I think it's fun. I love doing fun eyeshadow looks. I did film this face makeup. It's kind of a cool video. I thought the idea was pretty cool. It's kind of an interesting video. I used my May, June, and July favorites of 2017 on my face today to kind of see if I still loved them, if I hated them, and how those products worked for me today as opposed to them being my favorites last year. That video will be coming up next. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. I will link this season's playlist and previous seasons of my 10 looks using one palette series down below, so you can check those out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.